Hey everybody, Chris with the Champagne Agency here. Just want to welcome you back to some of our video tips that we give out on a weekly basis. And today's topic is going to be insurance myths that people still believe. So if you want a 5-minute insurance tune-up that can save you thousands, ask your agent these 3 questions. What's going on is a lot of Michigan families don't realize their biggest gaps until a claim. A quick review of a few items that can make a huge difference are your water backup for your basement, crawl space, whatever you may have as your substructure. Let's say if you have a $10,000 limit for a finished basement, a $9,000 cleanup is not unusual after a storm. So you want to make sure that you are protecting your belongings in the basement. If you have a fully finished basement, just make sure that you do have adequate coverage. Roof settlement as well. So if your roof is older and paid at actual cash value versus replacement cost, so what actual cash value means, or ACV, that can mean that $3,000 to $7,000 less can pay out on a claim. And then we're going to shift over to auto medical. So specifically PIP, that means personal injury protection. And what that is that is your medical coverage in the event that you or a family member is injured in an auto accident. And if you do have uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage with the same liability limits as your bodily injury. Now, while Michigan did the reform years back, you do want to make sure that your health insurance is coordinating with your auto insurance policy, because while it might make sense to take limited coverage for medical, you just want to make sure that you're not putting your family at risk in the event that you are injured in an accident, because the unlimited medical coverage with the auto insurance is always going to be your best option. And there are pros and cons to obviously choosing a lesser selection. While it could save you some money on your monthly payment, you got to consider the long term and if your family would ever be financially burdened. Let's say if you completely opt out of PIP, that means that your health insurance provider is going to be 100% responsible for those medical bills. So no auto insurance is going to have your back on that. So we always recommend here at the Champagne Agency that you take that into consideration, and why we always recommend that you carry that unlimited PIP. So go ahead and write these down and call or email your agent. Ask for a simple yes or no with dollar amounts. And if you want that help with that checklist, please reach out. We're happy to walk through that and explain that to you in plain English. So hope you guys have a great day, rest of your week, and give us a call if you have any questions.